Here I've got Realme 5 Pro, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick accounts and sync, and as you can see we are currently logged in with Google account. Smoothly open the one that we are currently logged in, and to remove it click on the delete icon, confirm that you would like to remove it, and that's it. As you can see it's no longer here, so any Google account is connected with your Realme 5 Pro now. But if you would like to log in for the first time or add another Google account, you have to open the settings again, then find and pick accounts and sync, click on add account, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then select Google. It's time to enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. And let me enter my email address, it's here, then tap on next, and now enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, tap on next. Here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy, and if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, click on I agree. And finally just read all the info and then tap on accept to confirm your selection of those Google services, and that's it. You've just added Google account. So basically that's all. You've just learned how to add and remove Google account in your Realme 5 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.